Hello everyone, and welcome to the Essential Unreal Engine course. My name's Floyd Billingy, and I'll be guiding you through the game art workflow using this powerful engine. Over the next 8 weeks, we will cover many aspects, starting at getting used to the engine, working with its tools for blocking out and management, hotkeys, and the more technical aspects of scene creation. We will cover both dynamic and baked lighting, as well as adding ambient scene effects like God rays and fog. We'll move on through to landscape tools for sculpting and importing custom landscapes, along with terrain painting and asset placement, where we'll go through the various avenues for acquiring high quality assets and then using procedural placement tools to populate your scenes. We will also cover hand painting assets using the foliage painter to add that extra level of detail. I've created some sections on asset creation and texturing that use today's workflows. You will use some simple tricks to get more realism and interest out of your handmade assets. We will then focus on getting your assets into the engine, along with custom master shader setups to really make your assets shine and allow you to tweak them in-engine on the fly. We will take a surface look at Unreal systems and use them to create ambient effects that really complement the scene. Then we will round the whole series off with a look at cameras, post-process and cinematic workflows, creating a beautiful cinematic that shows your scenes off as much as possible. You will then be able to render your scenes out at the highest possible quality. I hope you're all as excited as I am, so please join me at Rebelway on this great Unreal learning journey.